I'm a first generation advocate. I started my bachelor's in Sheshadipuram Law College, Bangalore, and I graduated with first class marks. And having interned in almost 2 to 3 law firms, there's always been a slight hesitation which every intern faces. So I have been on the same page as well. Not having anyone to look up to or someone to take care of me, it was always a task to ensure that I know what I need to do on the next stage. So it was very necessary to do my own homework. This has helped me to prepare much in advance. So uh, it has always been a good approach towards the law field, which has helped me to become an advocate as of today, who's handling almost 2 to 3 clients of my own uh, as an independent practitioner for a first generation advocate. I think that is really that great, which having 3 clients who are not just any individual, but two major companies as well, on consultation basis, and on a retainership basis as well. Right, when I enrolled for this course, when I had a problem which I faced in my internships. Basically, when you intern in a firm, they do not give you much of the cases to handle. It's always just to observe and understand and record, analyze. And this course has definitely helped me, because initially all that we were allowed to do is either prepare exemption petition applications, or pay the process fee and stuff like that. But with this course, it has helped me to understand in a much better concept, where the role of advocate, which is needed to be played to ensure that whether you're for the accused side or for the complainant, on how to differentiate right from the start. So if you're a complainant advocate, what are the procedures that has to be followed has been detailed, has been provided detailed in this course. So it has helped me to keep in mind those facts which are to be kept in mind during a criminal petition, filing of criminal petition. And when it comes to an accused, when you're presenting an accused, many factors such as even the basics, exemption petition, and even for the fact that how to prepare him for cross examination and examination, as well as for those matters fact that when a police investigation has completed, and final report has been filed, and when the accused are called upon for when the framing of charges have been done, that is when you realize where you can file a protest petition, and many others such factors which come into play. So you're not being taken for a ride for the mere fact you have only book knowledge. When you have experienced it, and when you have a place where you can refer to, as such, the platform, LawSikho, has given me unlimited access. I can, despite it being so long, I can still access my course, and it always helps me to refresh in my memory on factors where I have not had much of experience. And it has also helped me in how to have very good liaisons with the police and the court. So it has helped me to ensure that none of the case go beyond my control, as in they do not go out of control. I know every inch and aspects of every case that I am representing right now. Uh, and for the fact that even features such as the examinations and evidence, in which the best part which I have observed in this is that it has helped me to realize and understand how it is very important to, during the stage of examination or evidence, how important it is to differentiate between those which are relevant and irrelevant. And for the matter of fact, when it comes to cross-examination, on grounds to how, merely because the opposite advocate is much more experienced person, there are high chances of them taking advantage of you being a youngster in this field. So it has helped me to have a grip over the entire subject, which ensures that I can put my feet down and argue in the court, which has given me much more confidence than I think I would have ever had, even if it was for the fact that with mere internship or within this 2 years of practice that I have. But there have been situations where where I have been multiple doubts and how to approach them, because the format or the samples that are given in LawSikho are entirely different from what is practiced in Bangalore, the petition formats, but the content is more important, and the content provided in LawSikho is actually helpful. And when it comes to addressing the issues by the faculties of LawSikho, they have always been just a call away. They've always responded in a jiff, and even if there are certain glitches or problems that I face technically, that has been helped. And even if it was in the during the course, any doubts that I had, I always had a point where I could rely on someone to assist me and to guide me when when needed to be. I think this is a course which I think everyone else, every first year or second year advocate or the internee should take up, because it's more than just mere book knowledge that is provided to us during college times. Uh, this course has definitely been very helpful for me to ensure that I have that confidence level, which has given me a slight edge over the other associates that I have worked with of my age, because they have always my seniors have given me a lot of importance, for the matter of fact that I knew what is happening and what is the next stage. I think that is really important for an advocate to understand the procedure, and LawSikho's course has helped me realize, and has given that proper broad definition of every procedure and how it should be handled and how it should be taken care of. I have been able thanks to this course, I have been able to represent myself before the Karnataka High Court judges on criminal matters for squashing FIRs and on bail appeal. So this course has definitely given me that uh, broader aspect on how criminal law actually works, because civil is something which slow and steady. Criminal law is something which, if there's a mistake, the rectification of such mistake is a hideous process, and it can be more of a task when compared to civil law. So I would for sure suggest every advocate who's in his first year of law, or a student who's in the first year of law, to understand the actual procedure that is followed in criminal sector, and how every judge of the court works. So you can whether the matter of fact that whether you can influence the judge through your communication skills or how you present it is secondary, but the matter of fact that what your content is written and on the draft, it plays a vital role, and whatever you type down on the draft is what you present it in the court. So the minute you have a solid grip on the petitions that you draft, it automatically brings in the confidence for you to be able to present it in a much better manner, so that you connect with the judge whom you're representing it before. And yes, thank you, LawSikho, for all the help that I have that were needed, and it has definitely been a great experience.